A while ago I made a video and I said, I will show you how to get rid of this Virtual DJ logo with a simple technique like this without paying for any Virtual DJ subscription or crack the software. That's exactly what I said, and it didn't take me long to reach to that milestone and even going beyond. And all of this happened because of the love and support you guys have given me. And I really want to say thank you for the support. That gives me the morale and the energy to do what I do. As I promised, this video is all about getting rid of Virtual DJ logo without paying for any Virtual DJ subscription or cracking the software. As always, a shout out goes to those who engage more in the previous video, which features two audiences in the beginning of the video, but this time around I'm going to make it exceptional and make it 3. And a special shout out goes to DJ Davini4 from Uganda, Tony the Unruly One from Kenya, and Emmanuel Yeri from Kenya still. It is a pleasure to have you here. For those that I cannot mention their names from here right now, that doesn't mean that I've forgotten you guys. I will put all those names to the shout out list at the end of the video as always. I am DJ Zako as always, and I make virtual DJ tutorials across YouTube and TikTok. So either of the two platforms you can still access my tutorials. If you are visiting here for the first time, you are welcome to the community. If you are not yet a member of my community, please be sure to tap on the plus icon on TikTok and the subscribe button on YouTube. And turn on the notifications so that you don't miss whenever I post a new video. Without wasting much time, let's go and see how we can get a clean video display without spending any coin. Okay, before we do anything, let's first check some few things just to be sure that this approach will work 100%. First, when you look at account area here, it's not logged in. Even the Virtual DJ logo is still showing the red color. That means there is no license paid. Now let's go to the settings by clicking this cogwheel. Then we navigate to licenses. As you can see here, you are not connected. And even the current license, you cannot see any. And even here is still showing red. If it was subscribed, it was going to be somehow white. Lastly, let's go to interface and navigate to video overlay. As you can see right now, we have only 2 video skins, for live and for broadcast. Now let's go back and load a video track. As you can see here in the bottom is the Virtual DJ logo. When you make it a full screen, you can see how big it is. And you cannot remove it if you are not paid for any Virtual DJ subscription or crack the software. And we are not going to do any of that. What we are going to use is completely legal and free. But it is not going to be free forever. It is going to be free in condition. And I'm going to make it free for a period of 1 year. That means from the time of posting till the whole of March 2027. After that, the video will be available and free to everyone. But what to use you will get from my website at $5. But for now, till March 2027, everything is free. Just watch the video which will guide you on what to use and where to get it. Now the first step, we open the settings by clicking on the cogwheel. Then we move to options. Then we navigate to this cogwheel at the bottom right corner and click it to the Virtual DJ folder directory. From here we scroll down and locate a video skins folder and open it. In most cases you will find it empty. Now what you do, click on the empty folder window. Then press Ctrl N to duplicate. From here we are going to get the video skin that I made. It depends on where you put it when you get it, but for me right now it's on downloads. So this is what you get, a zip folder. Navigate to it and right click. From here navigate to WinRAR on this arrow. Then move to extract here. From here you will type the password which is shown on the screen. Then click OK. Then you open the extracted premium skins folder. From here open skins still. From here, this is what you need, DJ Zako Premium Video Skin. This one you are not supposed to extract it. Just copy it by pressing Ctrl C. Then we move back to the video skins folder in the Virtual DJ folder directory. Then we click here to paste it or Ctrl V. From here, let's close the File Explorer. Now when we go back to the interface and navigate to video overlay, we will not see anything yet. Now what we do, we close Virtual DJ so that it can refresh and reopen it. Now when we open the Virtual DJ again, you can still see nothing has changed. Here is still not logged in and the Virtual DJ logo is still showing red. So now let's open the settings by clicking on this cogwheel. Let's go to licenses and confirm that nothing has changed. still showing you are not connected and there are no current licenses. Also here is still showing red, meaning not yet subscribed. So now let's move back to interface and navigate to video overlay. Here you can see that the third video skin has been added. Now what you do, just click on it to select if it is not yet selected. Now let's close this. We are done with the procedure. Now it is time to check whether it actually works by loading a video track. As you can see, it is clean. You cannot see any Virtual DJ logo anywhere. Even when you make it a full screen, you cannot spot anything like a Virtual DJ logo anymore. And all this has happened without any complicated procedure or spending any coin. There, now you got it. Now this is actually how we are going to get the video skin. The video is going to be on YouTube and TikTok, but it is not easy to put a link on TikTok. So when you get the video on TikTok, go to my profile and tap on the YouTube channel link, which will take you to my YouTube channel. When you go to my YouTube channel, look for the most recent video and tap on it. On the video description, you will find the link which will allow you to download the video skin which you are going to use. Just by following the same procedure we went on the video, you will get the same results. And also something to keep in mind, the video skin works with almost every version of Virtual DJ, starting from Virtual DJ 8 to Virtual DJ 2026. So that's all for today. If you found help in this video, don't forget to share it with anyone whom you think might need it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not yet part of my community, because more exciting content like this is coming on your way. And one more request, if you can honor like the way you honored the last one that made me make this video. If you can help me to reach the required watch hours on YouTube and to reach 10,000 followers on TikTok, you will unlock the chances of random giveaways. And I must confess, I'm really happy with my TikTok community. They give me the morale and energy to make more content like this. They interact and share my content. Only what I want to say, thank you once again and happy clean video mixing.